Here are fridges you can get with a budget below 30,000 Kenyan shillings. With only 27,000 Kenyan shillings, you get this 138 liters fridge ya Roch. Inakaa hivi on the inside. It has a big freezer compartment and a big refrigerator compartment. As you can see, it has these 3 tempered glass shelves hapa. Iko na hizi storage box hapa on this side. Na iko na mali unaweza weka vegetables pale chini. And after purchase, you get a free fridge guard. With only 25,000 Kenyan shillings, you get this 125 liters inakaa hivi pia. As you can see, guys, it has a very, very wide compartment setting. Inakuja with a fruit and vegetable crisper down there for your vegetables. Na pia iko na storage box on the door side. Na usisahau pia unapata this fridge guard free of charge. And then lastly, for only 15,000 Kenyan shillings, you get this 87 liters fridge. Inakaa hivi. Hii kama wewe ni comrade unasurvive vizuri sana. It comes with a chiller zone and also a wide compartment setting on the inside. Not to forget, after purchase you get this fridge guard for free. If you wish to shop any of these fridges on our shop, unaweza tupata hapa at Tenza Home Appliances. Tuko located the former Nakumatt Lifestyle, which is currently Naivas Lifestyle, Mezzanine 1, shop number 2.